What's up guys, Roy here. Once again, welcome back to the Roy Boy universe. A great news for MI fans, Android One fans or the stock Android fans. MI has launched its third phone from its MI A series as the part of the Android One project, the MI A3. It's good to see that the MI A3 has got glass back, not same like its predecessor. Both front and back is of glass panels and is protected by Gorilla Glass 5. So it's a great deal. The display is Super AMOLED featuring 6.1-inch HD Plus display with processor of 665 Snapdragon and 4GB and 6GB RAM variant along with 64GB and 128GB internal storage option. This is a great deal at this price point. The hardware is great, amazing design, in-display fingerprint sensor, and this time Xiaomi has put the massive 40-30 mAh battery. It's pretty cool and decent. There's a 10-watt charger in the box, but the phone supports up to 18 watts of fast charging. The weight balance is pretty decent and desired language is also good. USB Type-C is the new era port as it is supported in the MI A3, but there is a great news. There is a welcome back scenario to the 3.5mm jack on the top. That's great. Now let's talk about camera. There are 3 rear camera with 48 megapixel of main camera and 8 megapixel of ultra wide and 2 megapixel for portraits. So there is no telephoto expected. It's identical like other Xiaomi camera interface, but the camera performs decent and it performs quite great. And the night mode is also supported. The camera performs decent keeping the price point in mind, fantastic in daylight and appreciable in low light. And the front camera is also good. It is of 32 megapixel, great deal for amazing selfies and good portrait. Now let's talk about the software. The best part of MI A3 is the software, the Android One project. The soothing stock Android experience, it has got clear and clean user interface with no bloatware and no custom UI. Running Android Pie out of the box, there will be no issue for updates and security patch. So there are 2 variants available for this MI A3. The one is 4GB RAM plus 64GB internal storage for 12,999 and 6GB RAM and 128GB internal storage for 15,999. So the MI A3
Looks
offers
really
3
good with
different
its
colors.
glass design. The
And the name
camera
of these
seems pretty
colors are
good.
great.
It has
The
a
first
super
color is not
AMOLED
just
display
blue.
with an
The
in-display
second is more
fingerprint
than
scanner.
white and the third
The
is kind of
battery
grey.
is bigger.
So
The headphone jack
the
and
naming
micro
of
SD
this
slot
color
are
along
back,
with the design
and obviously
specs and the
there's
design
the great
language
stock
is great.
Android experience.
So hardware
So yeah,
has
there's
no
a lot to
compromise.
like in the
So
Mi A3. But
after
I'll be
all,
lying if I tell
overall,
you
it's a
that this
great
phone
package
is
for mid-range
perfect.
budget,
It's
but
not.
I felt
Yes,
lacking
AMOLED
display.
is great,
Because
but
the display
yeah,
is
a
just
1080p
HD+,
display would
though
have
it
made
is
things
Super AMOLED.
awesome.
It could
Also,
have been
fast
better.
charger in the box would have been
And
really
next,
nice.
the 7th
Having
gen
said that,
in-display
overall the
fingerprint
Mi
sensor
A3
is
brings
bit
a
slow.
combo of
It
Xiaomi
takes time
and
for
stock Android,
adaptive,
and that is
but
something
it's
that should
slow
appeal to
rather
a
than
lot
the
of
rear
people.
mounted fingerprint sensor. But it's a great deal at this price point. So if you like this video, please hit the like button. If you have any doubt and queries, please question me on the comment box. Please share this video and don't forget to subscribe while you leave, and please hit the bell icon to get my notification. So that's all for today. Peace out guys.